Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can set a custom ringtone on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. To do so, we're gonna need to open settings and then in the settings go to sound and vibration. Now over here you need to scroll down just a little bit and you should be able to find phone ringtone for SIM card or eSIM. Depending which one you use, you want to select that option. In my case I use SIM card, so I'm gonna choose phone ringtone SIM card. Now over here of course we have the list of ringtones. Those are the default ringtones. But at the bottom of this list we have add ringtone, so we can press this button. And now over here we should be able to find the list of audio files that we have saved on our device. So of course you will need to somehow get those audio files of your custom ringtone on your device, whether you have to download it from the internet or by using some other method. Once you have those audio files, you should be able to find them here and then select the ringtone that you want to use. I'm gonna select this one. Of course, if you press it, then you will hear the preview. And in order to accept the custom ringtone, press this check in the top right corner. And there we go. Now on the list, keep in mind that you have to also select your custom ringtone. So switch to the custom ringtone and then press OK. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.